More information about Eneba. How to use an Eneba promo code. Browse eneba.com for products. When you find an item that you like, click Buy Now on its product page. Click on Got a Discount Code to expand the input box. Enter your Eneba coupon code in the input box. Click on the Apply button to add your Eneba discount code to your cart and to enjoy your savings. What to do if your Eneba discount code isn't working. Verify that you have correctly entered your Eneba coupon code. Ensure your cart meets the minimum purchase amount or any additional requirements. Make certain the coupon code you selected is still valid and has not yet expired. If you are still having trouble, try a different Eneba promo code from Coupon Follow instead. Stacking Eneba coupons. You can only apply one Eneba discount code per order. After you apply the code to your cart, the input box will disappear. You will have to remove the code to apply a new one. Make sure you apply the best Eneba coupon code that will offer you the most savings. Eneba discounts and promotions. Top Eneba offers and money-saving tips. Get instant access to hot deals. Sign up for Eneba's email newsletter to receive their latest promotions and offers directly in your inbox. You might even snag a welcome Eneba promo code when you join. Stay connected and save more. Follow Eneba on Facebook, Twitter/X, and Instagram for real-time updates on Eneba news. Keep an eye out for the exclusive social media offers they often share.